Alright guys, so part 2. We're gonna have to take out the cage. All this old shit. And I already started, so we're taking out the whole entire dash and then making a custom sheet metal dash.
We're also gonna make plates for the roll cage and actually bolt it in, so it's not just for looks.
And I already got the old computer out since I'm going Holy Terminator with touchscreen for the LS. And yeah, we'll be back when we're done with the time lapse. Alright, as you can see, we have the whole entire dash, engine control module, and all the stereo undone. We still need to pull the harnesses out, but we hooked up the battery and still have power to everything, and the headlights if you go up there.
We also took the front half of the roll cage out.
Just for the time being, to get the dash out and make the new sheet metal dash with the Holly screen built in.
We'll also have to tear the floor out,
Yeah.
put some plates in so
Yeah.
we don't rip bolts up out
And
if
we
something
also
were to
have tear
happen.
out the heater core and blower motor. And yeah, and then start ordering the new parts.
We did just get in touch with one guy for the
From
adapter
Australia.
plate and flywheel.
He is making a custom twin disc flywheel, which I'll show you on this block. The stock crowns are 14.5 millimeters tall for a single disc, and then for the twin disc, they're 20.5 millimeters tall. So I'll be able to use any competition clutch twin disc, but this one's rated for like 800 all-wheel torque anyways. So in the future, we should be good. And we also found out we need a new flywheel. Actually, it's either a new flywheel or we go to flywheel. Jeez, freaking
Pulley.
yeah, crankshaft balancing. It's either a new pulley or tube this half from headlight to headlight and move it forward about 6 inches.
Probably from right about here.
Mm-hmm.
More than likely, we're going to probably tube it.
Yeah.
Just get the room now.
Mm-hmm.
So you have it.
Make it easy to work on. Put some other stuff in there.
Yeah. I also we got my daily in here. Got a chip in the front windshield. Patching that up right quick. Maybe a video on this weekend if my parts come in. I'm not going to talk about that though.
Noisy boys. Yeah.
Soon.
Mm-hmm. This is the end of the video unless we decide to add more on. So see you in the next part.
Like and subscribe.
Always.